In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a scheduler to each service in HoneyBook. This is an essential skill for efficiently managing your client bookings and ensuring that the right team member is handling each appointment. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the scheduler within HoneyBook. From your dashboard, simply click on Tools, then select Scheduler. This is your central hub for managing all your service-related scheduling tasks, and it allows you to streamline your workflow and manage bookings effectively. Now, it's time to create or modify a service, which allows you to tailor your offerings to suit your business needs. To do this, you'll either click on Plus New Service if you're starting from scratch, or if you want to update an existing one, click on Edit next to the service you wish to modify. This flexibility ensures your services are always up to date and relevant to your client's needs. After selecting a service to create or edit, you need to make a critical decision about scheduling, deciding who should handle the calls or meetings for each service. This involves designating a particular team member, or perhaps yourself, who will be responsible for handling the bookings or consultations related to this service. This step is crucial as it assigns accountability and ensures that your clients have a consistent point of contact for their needs. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, you'll want to save your changes. This is as easy as clicking the Save button. With this simple action, HoneyBook will automatically route client bookings for the service to the designated team member, creating a seamless process from client booking to service delivery. By doing so, you not only enhance efficiency, but also improve the client experience by providing a clear and direct line to the right team member. Understanding how to assign a scheduler to each service in HoneyBook is vital for any business owner looking to optimize their client management process. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that each service is handled by the appropriate team member, which enhances both your team's productivity and your client's satisfaction. Remember, efficient scheduling is the backbone of excellent customer service and can significantly impact your business's success. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make the most out of HoneyBook's scheduling tools. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips to enhance your business processes.